As a freelance photographer, you need to have your hands in as many pots as possible. You need more than one source of income as a photographer. Sorry to tell you that. For example, let's say you have 8 sources of income at $300 each a month. This is $2,400 a month when all the sources are combined. Well, what are some of these sources? Magazines, newspaper work, stock photography, client direct sales, leveraging social media followings, a blog and or YouTube, teaching, freelance writing, and even creating your own products with your photographs. So there you have it. I wish I could tell you earning an income from photography was easy, but it isn't. Your source of income will need to come from a variety of sources, which means there's a lot of work ahead for you. Let me add this. If you have a passion for photography, all the hard work is well worth the effort. In the next lesson, I'll go into greater detail and I'll explain what newspaper, social media, etc., what they all mean. Take some notes. Take out your notebook and write some notes as we go along. And if you have any questions, feel free to post them and I'll get back to you. Also, there is a PDF of this very next lesson that you can look at your own leisure. You can save it and you can mark it up all you want. So let's go on and learn in detail what all of these sources are.